Hi, my name's Mark, and welcome to Membership Websites. We're looking at local home services again. This is a continuation of the previous video that we posted, which you can find on YouTube if you've not already watched it. We're looking at local home services because we're building this website fully using Claude. We have connected Claude through the back end of this website, and you'll see some of the changes we've already made on our previous video, and we're going to show you some of the other changes that we have made today. So on our home page, we did do a couple of edits to our home page, and we now have a scrolling feature just below the search widget. And this scrolling feature will showcase our featured members as top picks, and they will scroll in this prime location, hopefully, so they get spotted, and people click on them and they generate hopefully some leads through it or some business. So we have that feature just added there. Down here, we did add another scrolling feature, and we've added it as part of the CTA section. Originally, if you check the last video, this was just a get a free quote CTA section, and we've added this in here and moved the member cards that were down here on the right hand side up here, and created this scrolling effect again. So the scrolling effect for these are just added. So these are businesses that have just signed up. These are most recent businesses. So that's going to include anybody that signs up for the site. Once they've completed their profile and they're live, then they're going to feature on here. And this currently holds around 20 cards. We could increase it, we might increase it, but at the moment, what's happening is we're seeing 20 businesses and they're just continuing to rotate in a loop system. So once it reaches the last of them, it will just continue, it will go back to the start and then just loop that again. So you can see that just say hundreds of home services added every month. So we felt that was appropriate for the fact that we've got all these businesses that are just being added to the website. And then when we scroll down the FAQ section, we have reduced it, I think, by one. I think we had 9 questions on the last one, and they were on the left-hand side. And then we had the recent member cards on the right-hand side. And now what we've done is we've reduced it by 1, and we've got 2 rows of 4. Each one has a CTA link within them to request a quote. And that's really all that's changed on the home page. I think I'm a bit happier with this layout over the last one. Be interesting to hear your feedback on that. What we're going to do now, though, is we're going to go into the account area. We're going to take you into the dashboard on the website. So we're just going to log in as a member. And this is what has changed in here. So what we did was, first of all, we edited the sidebar. So we've edited this sidebar using Claude, and this is sort of the functionality we have for this. Now, there are no post types added to this particular business just yet. We might add something like classifieds or properties or something like that. I don't know yet. But what we did do is we did ensure that the pills that carry the number for request callbacks, reviews, and support responses, these will all appear with red backgrounds over. Maybe if the person has posted 3 classified ads, you would usually have a count number of 3, and that has a navy colored background to it. So we felt that, things that need actioned, to have this red pill or this red background behind the number, to try and prompt some action from the user. Now we'll go into this section just now. We're just going to go to change account level because we got Claude to go in here as well. And we got this section customized. We still need to add some information for the basic local. But the standard local is the plan that's in between. You've got basic, standard, and then you've got the premium plan. At the moment, this user's on the premium plan, so they can't go any higher. So the next plan that they could, if they wanted, they could downgrade to the standard or to the basic local. Yeah, and you can just click that space and you see how each one is selected. We do need to add some information just in here just to tell them what features they would get with a basic level, just in there as well. So we had Claude go in and do this, and it's a lot easier for just selecting which one they want. It's very clear, it's easy to know which one they've selected. As I said, we've got Claude just to do that. We'll go back to the dashboard area and we'll work through the dashboard area just now. So in at the top, then they welcome the person by their first name. So if the person has logged in for the first time, this message will actually say welcome, Mark. If they've logged in at least once into the dashboard area, then it will use welcome back. So it's just welcome them back to the dashboard area. Here is the membership plan being echoed, and then the account ID. And quite often, because sometimes the numbers can start quite low, with your Brilliant Directory website, when you've only got a handful of members and you're sort of on single, double digits as a number, I like to add letters before it. So if the website in this case is called Local Home Services, I add LHS/26, and it just feels a bit more stronger than just a number 26 as their account ID. I just think it looks nicer, it looks more professional. In the first box here on the left, this is all mobile optimized as well. We can see here that the listing is live and the person has completed 4 out of 4. Let's just go to the profile photo section, which we didn't show you last time, but we've customized the profile photo section so it displays like the rest of the forms. And let's just delete the image from here. So now when we go back to the dashboard area, we now have a section that is incomplete. So you can see here that the basic information is complete, the additional details and the about me is complete, but the profile photos section isn't. And this person now as well is not appearing live on the website. In fact, they can't even click the button here to view their live preview because it's locked and it's grayed out. What appears here will depend on whether the person is live or not. So the language will change, the text will change according to whether they're live. We also have a saying here that is changed every day. I think there's about 60 sayings in the widget, and they're all random every day. So if the person logs in this in on the same day several times, they're going to see the same message every 24 hours, or the message will change, and it will usually just be a line of inspiration or encouragement. So every completed step it makes you easier for new customers to find, or makes it easier for new customers to find. So we've got the promote profile section just here. So this is a QR code that links directly to their profile and the badge area. They can also copy the link just here automatically just by clicking on the button, and that will copy the link to their clipboard. They can also click on the WhatsApp, Facebook, the Twitter or X, or the email link, and that will just open up that platform and carry that link automatically over as well. So it's a really good way for them to be able to share their profile. In this section here, we've got updates and support. So we've got callback requests, and it's saying that there's one new. So this ties in with the callback request section just up here. The only difference is we've added text here so that if one appears here, it appears in a red pill as well, but it also has the word new with it. Service reviews, if anyone leaves a review so that the person knows that there's a new review waiting, a number will appear here again in a red pill. And for support messages, if the person receives a support message, they'll get a number appear here with a red pill. But for them to contact support, what they do is they just click on this button here. Now, when they click on this button, you will notice that a pop-up appears, and it's a chat box. And what we've done is we have customized the member to member chat to make it a support chat. So essentially, what happens is they type the message in here, whatever it may be, hello, they send the message, your message has been sent, okay, and then at the moment it closes and this window appears, but eventually when we finish some technical work in that, what will happen is the pop-up will close and then they'll just return straight to this page. So that's what the plan will be for that. So there's still some work to do with that. When support respond, they'll get an email, but there'll be a number appear just in this section here in a red pill to let them know. And the last section is just prompting them of or reminding them of what their membership level is. So they're currently on the premium local and where they can go from there. So they can go to the standard local or they can go to the basic local. So the premium local, I think off the top of my head, I think we priced it at £25 a year. If they want to go to the standard local, it's £10 a year. Or if they want to go to the basic local, it's £1 a year. If they want more information about any of these plans, they can click on change membership plan. However, currently at the moment, if they click on standard local or basic local, then we have it set up that it goes straight to checkout. So it takes them past the upgrade page and it's taking them straight there. Now these will change automatically depending on what plan they are on. So if this person was a basic user, then it would show the standard level and the premium level just above it, and these would be green arrows and they would be pointing upwards. So again, it would depend on what plan they are it currently in as to what's going to display there. And that's where we are just at the moment. So we haven't moved too much at the moment. We're moving in small steps. So what we're going to do is we're going to give you another video again, maybe in a week or two, and we'll let you know where we are, what else we've done to the site, what improvements we've made, what we've added, and you can follow along and see a website built totally with Claude. So I hope you found this useful and thanks for watching.